Hey there, fellow outlaws. Today, we're going to teach you how to make a homemade ant killer for pennies on the dollar. Yeah, super easy to make, super cheap. First of all, I want to apologize to Ants Canada. You know, I'm sorry, but my garden's more important no matter how entertaining you may make ants be. That's kind of how I got on this. Is I had planted some lettuce, and before I knew it, the ants had taken away all of the salad seed. So I was like, oh, I got to get a hold of, I got to get rid of these. And I did a little bit of research, and I found this recipe. Rather than spending so to give you an idea, we're going to make about $65 worth of ant killer for pennies, because you can get about an ounce of ant killer for $8. So yeah, we're going to make, and it contains the same active ingredient that we're going to use, and that is borax. You can actually get a big old box of this for like $5. So yeah, and some sugar. And we're going to make two different types. We're going to make a liquid that you can put in a sprayer or like a bottle cap for little ant traps. And this is good for killing ants quickly. But if you don't kill the ant queen and the larva, they're just going to keep on coming back. So that we're going to make a dry food one of as well. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Whenever working with borax, you should probably use a mask. Good thing it's corona virus time, because you should have a mask handy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 4 parts sugar. In this case, 4 tablespoons. To 1 part borax. And then we're going to fill this up to the 1 cup mark with hot water and dissolve this all up. So we will have made 8 ounces of this liquid ant killer. Give that a mix. Now you're using the hot water to help make sure everything dilutes and gets mixed in there good. Now the sugars will help mask the taste of the borax. And you know how ants love sugars and sweet almost as much as I do. All right, now we're going to let that cool, and then it's available for those uses that we talked about. And now let's go ahead and make the dry ones that they can take back to their nests to feed the queen and the larva. 4 parts sugar. Again, mask when working with borax. All right, now this did have a little bit of moisture in there already. If your bottle is dry, you probably want to add a little bit of moisture to kind of help it clump a little bit. See. And just like that, we've made $120 worth of ant killer if we were buying these at the small retail prices for, again, pennies on the dollar. So if you like this sort of thing, make sure you comment below and give this a thumbs up, as well as subscribe, because this is kind of the way I'm going to go with this channel from now on. Anyways, that's going to do it for me today. Peace, love, and all that hippie jazz.